people ask me this all the time, like, what age were you when you started dancing? But there wasn't any age at all or day. It was just kind of something that my family always did, no more than people playing music in their families. Dancing was just always part of it, and music too, and no more than learning to talk and walk, you learn to dance as well. So I was lucky to have lots of music and dancing. My parents and my grandparents and all people around me as well had a big influence on me. I would have grown up learning from the older generation, and it's bringing their skills and their memories to life again, because a lot of them have passed away, and passing it on to the next generation that I work with. So that's really, I guess, my main motivation behind it. What makes me the most happy, I guess, is the social aspect. It's not competitive. Everybody can dance together and enjoy it all together. It doesn't matter whether you're good or you're bad. It makes no odds. Everybody gets up and dances together, and you make great friends. So like a lot of the children that I teach, they're best friends. They're in college together now, but they would have been from opposite ends of the country, and I guess that's very special. Oh, this Gradam Ceoil means an awful lot to me. I nearly fell over when they told me that I was been awarded it. It means an awful lot. Particularly one very important lady was Mary McPartlin, who would have been, a big influence in setting up the Gradam Ceoil, and she passed away last year. And it's lovely knowing that I'm a Leitrim woman, and the Leitrim woman that set it up is hopefully watching down on us and is proud of it too. So it means an awful lot.